All right. Here's the two replacement stones, stepping stones. And I think I'll take this water and try to blast out as much dirt out from the edge as possible on this one and this one. Because I really want to try to get these pieces up without traumatizing the base too much. Let's try that. All right, I got gloves and a couple pry bars. That's a nice little molding pry bar. And then this El Cheapo that came from the flea market. What do you think? Is it too low now? Let's see if it's just right. Oh yeah. We got it. That's it. That's right where it needs to be. Good. Now we know what to do on this other one that we're going to replace. Oh, that's it. Back flush with this high one here. You see, I'm flush right here, and this is going uphill, sort of, to get flush with this one. So I'm gonna go with this one, call it good. All right, let's take a closer look at these. It's that one right there. You see how it's high on this side like it is right there? And then this one here. All right. If we'd had more, we could have replaced this one also. That's good. All right, y'all. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.